Here we go. Doall DC400 CNC. We're going to cut
3 pieces at 6 inches.
3 pieces 6 inches long. What diameter are the pieces supposedly? You got something stuck in the vise, you know.
Where?
This. It's cocked. You're going to cut it? Oh, we're using that to dummy it up. Okay.
So 3 1/4 inches diameter.
Oh, so it rapids down, then it goes in the feed.
Yep.
Is it feeding now?
Yes.
Can you feed more?
No.
No, not once you're in the program. You can't change it.
We're cutting at 5 inches. It's almost max.
Oh, it's moving. Okay. I'm sorry. I think it dwelled for a second. I don't know. It seemed like it wasn't moving.
Should be almost done.
So the blade's going. What's your surface blade speed?
150.
150. It's very quiet with that drive on there. So this piece in here is just a filler block. You put in different widths or different numbers of these to fill the gap, which we can open up and show you. And it comes with a box of those. About 5, 6 of them in there. You can fill the whole 16 inches in or whatever. There you
1
go.
inch 15-second cycle time.
It's what?
1 minute 15-second cycle time.
1 minute and 15 seconds. There's feeding forward. So it had already started feeding before the rear vise backed up and re-grabbed the part. Walk around real quick. It's presently 480 bolt 3-phase. The cover is off of the hydraulic system. That's laying right there. We will mount that. And then you can mount this stop switch back here. Anywhere you want on the box. And it's an emergency stop. Here's the other filler plates. It's finished cutting. We'll do the index from back here. Okay, she's feeding down and the vise starts to back up. Okay, that is your saw. There's that drive system and why it's so quiet. Thanks for viewing.